Hi everyone, in this course you will get the complete information about data visualization with Python using Matplotlib. This course will guide you through all the possible techniques that are used to visualize data using the Matplotlib Python library. This course consists of 10 lessons. So you can see the curriculum of this course. Once you have completed all these 10 lessons, you have to undergo this quiz. This quiz will have total of 5 questions and you need to achieve an 80% passing score. So once, okay, so to enroll for this course you can click on this get enrolled and you need to sign up for this course, and I have provided the answers for the questions so you can go through it and you can enroll for this course. Thank you.